In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Rust on a Windows computer. So let's see how we can do that. So at first we need to open google.com and then start typing Rust. And very shortly you will find the related result of Rust, and you will find this link rust-lang.org. Lang means language, probably like that. So here we have to go visit this website. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this. So to install it, we have to jump to this tab, install, or this menu. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now there are three options are there. This is for 32-bit Windows machine, this is 64-bit, and this is ARM based 64 machine. Now we have to download the recommended version of our Windows. If we are using 64, then we have to use this version, otherwise 32 or ARM 64. I'm using a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to download this version. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will ask us to download that. I'm going to download it on the downloads folder. Then going to click the save button. Once it is saved, then we can directly double click over there, or we can access over there to open the installer. Once we double click over there, there will be three options: 1, 2, 3. Proceed with standard installation. This is the default, and there is two other things. So I'm going to choose the first option by pressing or typing 1 and then hit the enter key. Once I hit the enter key, it will start installation of Rust. It will take some time. Once the installation is successful, then we'll get this type of confirmation message: Rust is installed now. Great, like this. Now we can press any key to close this window. I'm going to hit the enter key to continue, and it will be closed. Now once the installation is finished, we can check whether it is installed properly or not. To do this thing, we have to click start menu, and from here we have to open the command prompt. So I'm going to type cmd, and here is the command prompt. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be opened. Now from here we have to type rust c space dash version and hit enter key of our keyboard. So there will be double dash or hyphen, whatever you can see, then enter, and here you will see the version of the Rust is there. So that's it. In this way we can easily install Rust on our Windows computer.